There we are at Cape Jervis, South Australia, on lawnmower races. No matter where you stand, we cop the dust. It's a beauty, isn't it? First time I've seen lawnmower racing. One bloke had this super modified class here, he's out. He's done a chain or something.
There we go.
Walking off. We're getting ready to start.
Right, yellow flag first. There you go, the yellow's in. Gonna press the lights. All those lights go out and they can go. Look out.
250cc to 400cc motorbike engines. There they come. Look at him.
Riders there too, they won't make way for anyone else.
He's off again.
He's a lap behind. He's a lap. No, he's not. There he is. Half a lap. No. Yeah, he's going to catch him. He's got 450. Yeah, but
Yeah.
By number 30.
Well, here we are, coming into a little village called Rapid Bay. It's an old mining town. It's not used anymore except for a bit of tourism. Got a caravan park here, but the mine doesn't operate anymore. So we're coming down here, we're going to have a bit of a look around the village and see what we can come up with. Well, we've travelled down to a little place called Rapid Bay, and there's a mining village here that no one lives in, and we've got a permission to come in and have a look around. He said, the gentleman said, there's a lot of people been here over the years, which you can imagine. And Crouch is down in that yard there, he's digging up something. Ted's up in there looking for something. Now I've got an 80 signal here. I might see what it is. It's one of the best signals I've had all day. So I'll dig it out and let you know what it is. Well, I found a bit of rubbish up to now. I pulled out a coin here. I think I scratched by the look of it. Oh, it's only a brown bugger. 2-cent coin, but at least it's better than foil or lead. Alright, we'll keep going. Well, I'm just under this beautiful tree here with pretty flowers on it. And what did I find? I found a Kenworth. Hey? Some little fella's lost his Kenworth truck. Back wheels are missing off it. Hey? Don't know what it'd be, just a Hot Wheels one probably. Anyway, got that. Plenty of rubbish and a couple of Matchbox toys, but here's something different. A bullet, blank, and squashed in at one end. It's been fired. Maybe not a blank, but they've squashed it in at one end anyway. Well, I've now worked my way around the side of the house and I'm up here and I'm underneath the clothesline now. Anyway, haven't got much, but found another coin. Yeah, 1 cent piece. It's see if I can see the date on it. They're pretty hard to see the date on it. Yeah, I can't see, it's too small. But anyway, that's 3 cents I've got so far. Better than nothing. Well, it's nothing flash. Another brown bugger. 2-cent coin. Yeah, nothing flash, but anyway, that's all I'm getting so far. 2 2-cent coins and a 1-cent coin and a lot of rubbish. Keep going. We'll just ground balance this. Well, there it is. What have we got? Another 2-cent coin. Brown buggers. Why can't they be a silver? But it's better than lead. Alright, that's 3 2 cents and 1 cent coins I've got out of this yard. Keep growing. Well, here's a roundup. As you can see, a couple of Matchbox toy bits, a lot of junk, a fishing swivel, and 7 cents and a bullet. That's what I got for today. Crowd's got nothing. He
got a screwdriver.
He didn't bring anything back with him. Ted got a washer and a half a Matchbox toy. But anyway, we didn't expect to get much here, but it was good to have a try.